Hi guys, this is Farz and welcome back to Farzzology, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert any picture into art in Photoshop beta. So let's get started. Now you can give your picture a oil painting effect or painting effect or abstract painting effect in a minute, and you don't need to use any third-party plugins or action in Photoshop. You can do it in Photoshop beta, just a few clicks. Okay, so let's see. Okay, at first we'll apply the effect in this picture, in this portrait. So at first you need to go to the channels, and here you need to create a new layer by clicking on this plus icon. Okay, and then go to the edit and then fill, and you need to fill it with a color, gray color, and the color code is 666666. Okay, and then press OK again, and just press and hold command key or control key and click on the new layer, the alpha 1. Click on the thumbnail of this layer and now press OK. And now just click on the RGB layer, not on the thumbnail of the layer, just a right side of the RGB layer. Okay, now come back to the layers, and here just click on the generative fill and type painting effect, or you can type abstract painting effect, oil painting effect, and now just hit enter or click on the generate option. That's it. Photoshop will do the rest, and it is that easy. Okay, and look at this. Oh my god, this is not good. I think this one and this one is really great. Look at this. So this is very quick also. I think let's go with this one. This is really looking great, and you can generate more and more. So it is that easy. You don't need any Photoshop action. You don't need any Photoshop third-party plugins. So you can do it free right now. Okay, let's try with another picture. I'll try with a landscape picture maybe. I think in landscape picture it will look more gorgeous. Oops. Okay, let's try with this one. Follow the same technique. Go to the channel, create a new layer, fill it with a gray color, press and hold command key, click on the new layer and select the RGB, come back to the layers and click on the generate and painting effect, click on the generate again. Okay, look at this. This is not good. I think this one is really good. This one is also, look at this, but the flowers the flower is changed here. I think this is really great. And I think in case of natural landscape picture it will look great also. So try with the landscape natural picture and let me know the result in the comment box. So if you love this video, if you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.